First, the torque wrench has a two-piece scale, with the main scale being on the handle body and the micrometer being on the knurled handle. To set the torque wrench, loosen the lock nut on the end of the torque wrench. This torque wrench has increments of 10 foot-pounds on the main scale and 1 foot-pound on the micrometer. If you would like to set the torque wrench to 95, you turn the knurled handle so that 0 is on the bottom of the 90, and then you turn it another 5 spaces so that it's set at 95. Lock the torque setting by tightening the lock nut, and then you're ready to go. It's important to use the torque wrench slowly and steady so you don't miss the torque setting you want. When the desired torque setting is reached, you will hear a click. Do not continue to move the torque wrench after you hear the click, or you can over-tighten the nut or bolt. When you are finished, make sure you store the torque wrench at the lowest setting to maintain accuracy.
With today's lightweight components, torque wrench use is no longer an option, it's a must for every mechanic. The TW5.2 ratcheting click-type torque wrench is designed for lower torque settings used on many bike components. The 3/8-inch drive allows for quick compatibility with Park Tool bits and sockets. The dial adjustment system is precise and easy to use. The included table allows quick conversions between Newton meters and inch pounds, and it comes in its own protective case.